Hey everybody, what's up? It's your girl Chiney and welcome to this week's episode of the On My Mind series. People, before I start, I'm telling about my night last night. I only sorry I never recorded. Last night I had so much fun at Killing Me Laughing Wednesdays at Celebrity Status. Oh my goodness, I had about 6 Sawyer Boy shots, 2 Coronas, and about 3 Calic. The vibes was right, the music was flowing, and they played just enough Vibes Cartel to satisfy my soul. Even when I got to the Airbnb, I was so wasted, I couldn't even take my clothes off. I went right to bed in my makeup and everything. So today, before this episode, I had to hit up my girl Shauna to get a fresh face beat to start this episode. In this week's episode, I want to talk about the love that Bahamas has for dancehall. From a reach, almost all of the car them will drive past, I play some kind of alkaline. Yo, me I tell you, say Bahamas love some alkaline. Them love Vibes Cartel. Vibes Cartel song them all play on the radio over here. I hear some people that play Vanessa Bling, them play Aishana, and 1 and 2 Popcaan. So I'm about to head to one of my favorite spots in the Bahamas, the Dock, to Island Delight. Them have the baddest food, the drinks them on point, and them have one daiquiri called the Tambourine Daiquiri. Yo people, it body up. Yeah, so I'm about to check them out right now, talk to some people to find out who are their favorite dancehall artists right now, and also show you guys the vibes at Island Delight. Let's go.
Relevant like Facebook, man, still relevant like Facebook. I'm
standing here next to Eddie, a DJ here down at the Dock. Eddie, who's the hottest dancehall artist you'd say right now?
I'm Popcaan, man. Y'all should know, man. Y'all should know how the unruly boss go, man. It's unruly boss. Don't mind the pop. Hey, don't mind the Vandera boss. Stand up on the place right now, no. But Popcaan, run the things right now, man. Y'all should know how this thing go, man. DJ Eddie being ya. That's that joke.
Addicted.
Popcaan! Popcaan! Popcaan to the world, yeah?
What about Vibes Cartel?
No. Popcaan running it now. Addicted, not NSC. Pop, no, Sabama, Popcaan running it right now, And that must say.
Addicted, like music, attracted to me. Addicted, like Hennessy. Addicted, like weed.
Don Rolly Boss.
Yeah?
Nada.
Hottest dancehall artist right now in Bahamas?
I ain't ready to be honest, you. Like old school.
You like old school?
Old school.
Alright, so what old school artists you like?
Joe, Aaliyah.
You like Buju Banton? You don't like Buju? Garnet Silk. Barry Saman.
Yeah, Barry Salmon, yeah.
Okay, we're getting somewhere.
I like Barris. He gets some good, like, soft music. He got mellow too.
Peter Tosh.
I know what it is.
Bob Marley.
Yeah, he gets some good music.
Okay, Ziggy Marley.
Yeah, him too.
Damian Marley.
Alkaline.
Who else?
Popcaan.
Who else?
Who else is it?
Alkaline is the artist, dancehall artist. Because he just keep it real.
What about Popcaan?
Popcaan, I don't think you're ready for Alkaline. I really don't think you're ready for Alkaline.
The teacher or the film dude. What about Cartel?
Cartel, now he's the dancehall king. He's the dancehall king, but I really love Alkaline more.
More than the teacher?
Yeah, I love him more than the teacher.
We can't be friends. We cannot be friends. Who's the hottest dancehall artist that's hot right now in the Bahamas?
Oh, I love Cartel.
Yes, girl.
Yeah, Cartel.
Who's the hottest dancehall artist right now in Bahamas?
I know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I don't know. I'm not from here.
Where you come from?
I'm from Jersey.
Jersey you come from?
Yeah.
All right, so who's the hottest dancehall artist right now?
Rihanna.
Mr. Dancehall.
Busta Rhymes.
Lord of his mercy. Yo, yeah, I give a joke right now. All right, come again. Who's the hottest Jamaican dancehall artist right now?
It's trick questions. I don't know.
What do you mean? So all you want up on camera and you don't know?
I don't know.
All right, so what you want up on camera? What you want to tell us then?
What I want.
What do you want to tell us? Since you want to be on camera but you can't answer my question, what do you want to tell us?
I just like the camera.
People, I'm not laugh. I'm going to say if your grandmother have something. Let me say your granny have something to say. Hi, Grandma.
Hi.
Who's the hottest Jamaican dancehall artist right now?
Say it again.
Who's the hottest Jamaican dancehall artist right now?
I know.
Come on, Grandma. Which one? Vibes Cartel.
Huh?
Vibes Cartel.
Where's Boston?
Yeah, Vibes Cartel is the hottest Jamaican dancehall artist right now, right?
Yes.
You like, what do you like? Do you like, which one of his songs do you like? Do you like Freaky Gal Part 1, 2, or 3?
3.
Grandma, kill me.
Baby, love you, no doubt.
Who's the hottest Jamaican dancehall artist in Bahamas right now?
Shabba.
Who?
Shabba.
Shabba Ranks? I'm gonna ask you one more time. Who's the hottest dancer? What you know? Wait, then come back. Who's the hottest dancehall artist right now?
Vibes Cartel.
Vibes Cartel.
Yeah. I think Alkaline. Alkaline is one of the most, like, the talk right now. Alkaline and Vibes Cartel. Alkaline. Yeah. Alkaline.
Alkaline.
After all.
Down.
I'm telling you, I just absolutely love the vibes here at Island Delight at the dock. Let me tell you, if you guys come to the Bahamas, make sure you come here and visit it. The vibes is just right. I remember the tambourine Dakar made a table, it's shot. But besides that, I was very surprised. Bahamas said unruly. You have been watching the On My Mind series. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and tell a friend, and